Hello again. This is not supposed to be part 2, but this is definitely the end. So I got almost to putting my land on. I'll give myself 11 minutes just because that's easy. And I'm going to go back to trying to finish and fix what I find less appealing. This bottom, that was some of the 24 karat gold. This is Egyptian coin that's a prism pour from Color Art. I want some black in here, that's all there is to it. And maybe some purple too. I was thinking about copper. And I like this Anita's black because it's a gunmetal color. And while I'm here, that's the Arteza. So let's wipe the paint off of my spatula and grab something to put it in. And if I don't like this, I'll use the purple. If I don't like that, I'll use the white. I still want some purple across the back there. That's the purple flash. This is the dioxazine purple. Yeah, definitely like that purple in there. And perfect on the bottom. Well, I'm glad the fan is going in my studio because somebody just did something to themselves that caused an explicative. I'm pretty sure you didn't hear it, which is good. I might have extra sensitive husband hearing. I see right here, I would like to take a chance. And do I still have a round spatula? I used to have a round spatula. I wonder what happened to it. There it is. Yeah, I love it when that happens. So one big purple cloud at the bottom. It's becoming my thing. And anything left over I've got can go right on the tip and right over the edge. On both sides. Cool. Alright. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be touching up my bottom and other similar places. You know what? I'm going to use a little bit of white cell activator before I go. Just because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, which I did not mention. It's on the link tree. And this is a gallery wrap canvas, and I am pleased with my results, and I will be torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and asking you guys please to give me a thumbs up, share my videos if you like what I do, share my videos if you like me. That resolves that issue. If you want to be of assistance and you have shopping to do, Christmas is coming, and I appreciate any help I can get. I have spring clothing below the video. Yes, I did. I just added a little gold across the bottom. Don't ask me why, I was called to it. I try and listen when my muse speaks. I probably could have used some brighter colors in there, but I'm not minding I'm not minding less competition with the sky, because the sky is where it's at. Although that purple, that's weird. and now it's green and weird. Which I am attempting to resolve. Okay, so I got a weird thing in my sky, and I'm not sure I like it. So I'm going to take some of it away, hopefully without doing tremendous damage. And you know what I usually do when I find things I don't care for? I put another color over them. And that is my attempt at that. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2200 videos. You can find them by going to playlists, all playlists on my channel. If you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. I'd be happy to help you. It's not a problem. I have them all organized by topic and genre and stashed where I can find them easily to help you. If you have questions, please feel free to ask questions. I'm here to help, as well as to inspire. If you watch longer and give me thumbs up and share my videos, you're offering me assistance I could really use, and I really appreciate it. Alright, that's it. It is what it is, and I like plenty about it, so I'm not going to complain. Not a good idea. And every time I see some paint or an edge that needs to be covered, I'm just going to stick my finger in it. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Look at my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you want tomorrow's video, look on the community board on my channel or on my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, and you can find that on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. It has all my other links on it, and underneath it, when you open Show More, you can find my paint pouring recipe. And you can also find my email address should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or inquiring about information to take a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I think the bottom turned out nice. I'm surprised. I don't know why I should be. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, telling you that you could win a painting if you enter the drawing by making a donation with the PayPal icon or link on my YouTube channel. Excuse me, on my YouTube channel. Yeah, right. Okay, on the link tree, there's a PayPal donation place, and on the bottom of the right-hand corner of my YouTube channel also. You can see the paintings that are up for grabs, included at the beginning of the exhibition video that should be on the end screen of every recent video. I love you guys. Bye for now. I'm winded. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Priscilla out. Woo!